Welcome to FoxSoft. Due to the recent Ticketmaster update, we now require to use phone numbers to receive OTPs. In this short video, we'll show you how to rent and manage phone numbers from FoxSims. Step 1. Access the dashboard. First, click on the dashboard here. You'll see two options, Get Number and Rent Number. Step 2. Rent a number. To rent a number, click on Rent Number. Next, under Find Service, make sure to select Ticketmaster. This is very important. If you select any other service, you'll only be able to receive SMS from that specific service, so make sure to choose Ticketmaster. Step 3. Get your number. Double-click on Ticketmaster, and there you have it, your phone number is ready. It will be active for 29 days. Step 4. Testing the number. Let's send an SMS to this number to see how it works. If you encounter an error where the country code appears twice, don't worry. This happens sometimes. Just make sure to remove the duplicate country code before sending the SMS, and it will go through without any problems. As you can see, the SMS will appear instantly once Ticketmaster sends it, and you can use it right away. You can always return to the same number, and there are no limits on how many SMS messages you can receive. Step 5. Reactivating a number. Sometimes, if you haven't used the number in a while, it may go offline. To bring it back online, simply click on Activate, and the number will be reactivated. Step 6. Auto-renew option. If you want the number to automatically renew for another month before it expires, you can turn on this icon here. But be sure that you have enough balance, or the number won't renew, and we will be able to reactivate it for you once it expires. Thank you for watching, and good luck.